Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer GDPR form UX into Cookiebot and your website, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your website's administration dashboard. Locate the GDPR form you wish to transfer. Make sure the form is fully compliant with GDPR regulations. Log into your Cookiebot account. Navigate to the Cookie Declarations section within Cookiebot. Review the existing settings and configurations. Select Add New Form to create a new GDPR form in Cookiebot. Import the structure of your existing GDPR form. Copy the text from your original GDPR form. Paste the text into the corresponding fields in Cookiebot. Customize the design to match your website's branding. Ensure that all required fields are included in the form. Set up necessary consent categories according to GDPR guidelines. Once the form is created, generate your Cookiebot script. Copy the generated script code. Now, go back to your website's administration dashboard. Find the area where you can add custom code to your website. Paste the Cookiebot script code in the designated area. Save the changes and publish the updates to your website. Test the form to ensure it functions correctly. Verify that the consent modal displays as intended on your website. Review the data collected to ensure compliance with GDPR. Monitor the implementation regularly for any necessary updates. Ensure all staff are trained to manage data according to GDPR regulations. Confirm that your privacy policy reflects the use of Cookiebot and the GDPR form. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.